ಹೆಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ MDR Educated Raita. Today we are going to start some DevOps and cloud topics. So my first topic is how to become a DevOps engineer. If you want to become a DevOps engineer, what are all needs to be learned prior? So becoming a DevOps or cloud engineer typically involves and practical experience. So your practical experience will must. Here are the key steps or elements needed to pursue a career in this particular field. First thing is educational background. Bachelor degree. I mentioned here bachelor degree. Many DevOps or cloud engineers have a bachelor degree in computer science, information technology, or any relevant field. While degrees are beneficial, but it's not always mandatory. And some professional enters the field with certifications and experience. If you have prior experience, that will be good. If you are a fresher, you need to take certification, you need to take some course and do the certification and apply for the job. That will be better. And what are all the core skills before you becoming a DevOps engineer? You need to learn these core skills. Those are, one is Linux and Unix. So a strong understanding of Linux operating systems and Unix operating systems must to become a DevOps engineer. And some scripting and programming language. Nowadays Python and shell script, these are very booming. So we need to learn those things to become a DevOps engineer. And some networking concepts also. Understanding the networking concept must, including TCP/IP, DNS, what is VPN, and a little bit about firewalls, and a little bit about networking commands like ping, netstat, so on, and anything about version control. Version control means a source code management like GitHub. So that knowledge about version control is must to become a DevOps engineer or to become a cloud engineer. Okay, and any knowledge on cloud platforms. So as we all know, there are so many cloud providers are there. Those are Amazon Web Services, so AWS, and Azure. This is Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. And if certifications to get certifications is very difficult, but if you got a certifications, then it will be helpful for you guys only to become a DevOps and to get a job easily in this current market. Okay, you should have knowledge, any of the cloud platform knowledge you should have to become a DevOps or to become a cloud engineer. There are so many cloud providers are there, CSPs are there, but mainly we consider, personally I consider these three are the best tools. AWS is a pioneer of the cloud. They started cloud journey at 2006, I think. And Microsoft Azure and Google Platform is booming nowadays, and Azure provides Azure DevOps also is there, so it's a good thing actually. Any knowledge about any of the cloud providers is must to become a DevOps or cloud engineer. And so to become a DevOps engineer or cloud engineer, we need to learn DevOps specific tools. So those are, first one is continuous integration and continuous deployment tools. So that is Jenkins. So Jenkins is one of the CI/CD tool. So continuous integration and continuous deployment tools. So many other CI/CD tools are there, but in the market this Jenkins is booming actually. And some build tools, Apache Maven and Gradle. These are the build tools. We should learn these things. Apache Maven is a build tool for Java architectures. So it will build the code and create and jar and war files, and the Gradle for Android projects. And we need to learn infrastructure as a code. So we can launch cloud resources uh, through code actually. Cloud resources through cloud. So one of the best IAC tool is Terraform. And some configuration management tools. So Ansible is one of the configuration management tool. So and other configuration management tools also there. And another is Chef, Puppet, also configuration management tool. And some containerization and container orchestration tools. So Docker is a container world. This is a container tool, containerization tool, and Kubernetes is a container orchestration tool. Well, going forward, I will explain about Jenkins, about Apache, Terraform, Kubernetes, Docker, Ansible, and also some monitoring tools like Datadog, Prometheus, Grafana. I will explain each and every bit. So unless, please keep eye on my channel. So I am going to upload all the videos one by one. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.